This week, while I had the baby napping and the toddler doing independent play, I did a quick power clean. I started by unloading the dishwasher and putting away the dry dishes. Then I started to wash the dishes. If we don't have very much dishes, then I'll start washing them by hand. But if we have a lot of dishes, then I'll load the dishwasher. Let me know how you handle your dishes in the comments. Then after doing the dishes, I will start cleaning the high chair. I take out all the crumbs and then I take out the seat to get a good wash on that before we use it again. At this point, I was really surprised the baby was still napping, so I kept going with recycling, and Luke decided to help. Next, we had laundry, and Luke honestly loves helping with laundry because he likes to push the buttons on the washing machine. So hey, I'm gonna keep taking his help, especially because he's gonna learn how to clean the house, which is a big plus in my books. At this point, Luke still wanted to help, so he was helping with mopping. This is the area we call his basketball hoop, so he took a lot of pride in getting this part clean. And Mom just went in to do a second coat of that cleaning. Now while Luke mopping, I decided to clean the living room area, sweeping it up, and then also cleaning that coffee table as he was done playing with Play-Doh since he was now deciding to help me clean. I was also finally able to lower the mop, which Luke was super excited about. So he wanted to keep cleaning with me and he decided to do the kitchen. I had mom guilt as I was working on this room because I felt bad that Luke was still deciding to help clean. But when my husband came out for his lunch break, my son was so excited to tell him that he was able to clean and that mom was able to lower the mop for him. It was really neat to know that he got so excited to be able to help me. Then I helped with putting the final touches onto the kitchen floor because I had finished cleaning the coffee table. And don't judge, but you best believe I put my Apple Watch as mixed cardio. And Han napped for like 52 minutes while we got this done. So that was amazing. Once Luke was done, he asked if he can get some screen time. I said, of course, because he totally helped a lot and didn't have to. So here's the final result of what we did while Han napped. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you.